NYC. In this month's episode, I'm going to teach you a way to get a really good demi-pointe and a good arch on your shoe without even cutting the shank. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get our pointe shoes brand new, and then we're going to get one of our box cutters, and it has a blade that collapses, right? So what you want to do is you want to be really careful, especially for my young dancers. These are quite sharp, and you might want to get an adult to assist you with this. Or the other thing that you can do is you can get really heavy sort of gardening gloves or work gloves. That's going to make sure that you don't make any cuts in your hands. Just they are quite dangerous if you don't know what you're doing with them. So just always be careful with that. Now, you're going to very firmly grasp your shoe, so you don't want kind of a loose grasp because it's a little bit dangerous if you don't. And then you want to firmly grasp your razor, right, or your box cutter. So got a really good hold on it. And I'm going to start making tiny little cuts in it. Now I'm going away from my body. I'm not going to my body. That's very dangerous again, so go away from your body. And what you can do is start to make the cuts very shallow, about where your demi-pointe would be on your shoe. As I always say, make sure you do this on an old pair first, just to see what you like. And the great thing about this is you can start out with really tiny, very light cuts, test it out, get up on point, roll through, see how you like it. If it's not enough, you start going there, and you start making the cuts a little deeper and a little bigger. So I'm just going to continue to go with that. Now another great tip that you can use these for is you can also use them for a 3/4 on your shank. So this shank looks pretty straight up and down. It's not bending very much, but I don't have a lot of money, so I don't want to have to break down my shank because it's going to break in the shoe too quickly. So once again, I'm going to grasp the shoe firmly, I'm going to grasp the razor very firmly, and right there, about where the 3/4 is. So it's going to be somewhere just below this side seam. And again, I'm going to start to make those slits. Do it on an old pair first, see what you like. Make tiny cuts first, and then keep going. Right, so I did that, I made those cuts, and I started going on the demi-pointe, and you can see I'm already getting kind of a demi-pointe right there. I probably need to do a little more. I'll do a little more if I want a bigger demi-pointe. And you can see I've already got this. I'm going to get my finished shoe. Right, so I already did the razor slits on this one. You can see I've got a nice 3/4, and I didn't even touch the inside of the shoe. And I'm going to have a nice roll through on the demi-pointe, and I didn't have to destroy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click if you liked it, subscribe, and leave your comments below. And send us your questions. What would you like us to cover in these episodes? Send me your questions under the hashtag Dancewithmary NYC. What topics would you like us to cover?